Hello everyone, welcome back to Rock Telsa Vlogs. Today's video is about my DIY candle table centerpiece. Look at this, guys. This is a very simple DIY candle table centerpiece. These three candles I have here, this is just a plain white candle painted with the glitters. I just brush it with the glue, white glue, and then sprinkle it with these different colors of glitters: gold, purple, and fuchsia pink. And this one is a real pine cones. I brush also with the glue and sprinkle it with the glitters, the golden glitters. And this one is another type of pine cones, flower type. I painted it with the nail polish, like my nail polish. And also here, painted also with glue and sprinkled with glitters, the same as the other pine cones. I have here 7 pieces of pine cones. This one is a metal tray. The design is like a Christmas tree, and I use as a holder for this flower base. This flower base is the holder of my candle. So inside of this flower base is a collection of bottle caps I just put inside in order to support my candle to stand. But the candle, look at the candle here, look, I just keep it inside, and the support is the bottle caps of the mineral water. And this Christmas ornaments or Christmas decoration I fix inside the flower base with the use of the hot glue in order to stand. And I decorated it here with the Christmas ornament, the pearl lace. And now this is now the transformation of the ordinary candle, and it looks beautiful now with the Christmas ornaments. And this is a table centerpiece for the Christmas. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to recycle waste materials and transform into unique home decoration. So please give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. So click my playlist, how to create table centerpiece, and you can find all my live tutorials on how to create different projects, especially home decoration, fashion accessories, and many things. So to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel, and I do the same to you. So I wish everyone a good health, keep safe, and stay healthy, and see you again in my next vlog. This is Rock Telsa Vlogs from Switzerland. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye. So please watch my other DIY tutorials. Just replay my live tutorials. on how I created different DIY home decoration. So just click on my playlist and you can find all my video tutorials. This is my DIY table centerpiece for the Christmas season.